Rule number 6 of effective dating is always watch a person's behavior over their words. Words are easy. Some people are great with words. Words can be beautiful. They can paint an amazing picture. Ultimately, I look for a person's behavior, the way they treat their driver, the way they talk to the waiter. When I'm not watching, how she or he is with her friends. You want to see what they are like in their natural habitat, and when no one else is watching, how they treat people. I've had dates where the girl paints this beautiful picture of her life, and when I go back to her apartment, I see the complete opposite. It's a mess, it's untidy, dirty, not elegant at all. And then I have girls who don't speak that much, and then I see how she is. She volunteers, or she's a doctor, she helps out with little kids, but she doesn't talk about it, she doesn't brag about it. It's just her behavior. That's just something that she does. So really watch a person's behavior before you jump into a relationship, before you jump too fast into that dating cycle, and see what they're really like. A person's behavior very rarely betrays their true intentions, but a person's words can often mislead you.